Anyone should be able to master these techniques within few months in veterinary practice. My name is Michal Kyllar-Eriksen. I'm third-generation veterinary surgeon with over 2 decades of experience in veterinary medicine, education, and clinical mentorship. I will give you my tips and tricks for effective consultation and clinical examination. I will help you with your first IV placement, blood sampling, or urinary catheterization. Together, we will prepare a patient for a surgery and perform castration and ovariohysterectomy. In this course, I will share my knowledge and experience through real-world case scenario, practical insights, and expert advice. I will teach you practical clinical skills that will help to build your confidence so you can provide the best possible care for your patients.